My Disney Stores and Friends Level 2. Unit 1 Phonics. R and L. R and L. Letter L. L. It's a lunchbox. Lunchbox. It's a ladder. Ladder. It's a lake. Lake. They are legs. Legs. They are leaves. Leaves. R. Letter R. R. It's a ring. Ring. It's a rock. Rock. It's a ribbon. Ribbon. It's a rose. Rose. It's a rabbit. Rabbit. It's a river. River. Great job! Goodbye!